Hey content creators, ever found a video so amazing you wished you could recreate it? Well, today I'm going to show you how to clone any video using AI. That's right, AI is making it super easy to replicate videos, and I'm here to walk you through the process, step by step. First up, you'll need to find a reliable AI video cloning tool. There are a few out there, but one of the most popular right now is Deep Video. It's user-friendly and packed with features that make video cloning a breeze. Go ahead and download Deep Video from their official website. Once you've installed Deep Video, open the application and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Now let's dive into the cloning process. Step 1. Upload the original video you want to clone. Just drag and drop your file into Deep Video. The AI will automatically analyze the video, breaking it down into its core components, things like the script, visuals, and even the editing style. Step 2. Customize your cloned video. Deep Video lets you tweak various elements to match your style. You can alter the script, change the visuals, or even adjust the pacing. It's all about making the video your own while staying true to the original's essence. Step 3. Generate the cloned video. Hit the Generate button and let the AI do its magic. Depending on the length and complexity of the video, this might take a few minutes. Grab a coffee and come back to see your cloned masterpiece. Step 4. Review and refine. Play through your cloned video and make sure it looks just right. Deep Video offers easy-to-use editing tools, so you can fine-tune any details that need a bit more polish. Once you're happy with the final product, export your video in your preferred format. That's it, you've just cloned a video using AI and it looked incredible. A quick pro tip: always make sure to respect copyright laws and give credit where it's due. Use cloned videos responsibly to enhance your content, not to plagiarize. So there you have it, folks. In just a few steps, you can harness the power of AI to clone any video. It's a fantastic tool for content creators looking to streamline their workflow and produce high-quality videos effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy creating. See you next time.